Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Tekko Pro is a Novaluron and pyriproxyfen insect growth regulator. This product uses these two chemicals to stop the insects from producing chitin, which is the hard shell of an insect, and also stops them from producing growth hormones, inhibiting them from maturing past the egg or larval stage. Tekko Pro controls many different species of insects, but it's most commonly used to control cockroaches, fleas, and ants. While Tekko Pro can be used by itself to control insects, it does not affect adult pests. This product is specifically designed to prevent egg and larval stages from maturing. While it will not kill adult pests, it will make them sterile. If this is a concern, check out Flex 1010 or Novaluron aerosol. Use Flex 1010 as a broadcast spray indoors and outdoors to control a wide variety of pests. Novaluron can be used indoors as a broadcast spray and has an insect growth regulator in the formula. This means that it will kill the adult pests and will also stop younger pests from maturing. Before using Tekko Pro, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Tekko at a rate of 1 to 2 ounces per gallon of water, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pests. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Tekko Pro comes in an easy-to-use squeeze and measure bottle. To measure with a squeeze and measure bottle, remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the measurement lines on the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. When combining Tekko with an adulticide, measure and mix the adulticide first, and after filling your sprayer, add Tekko. Agitate your sprayer again and you're ready to apply. Tekko Pro can be applied indoors and outdoors as either a broadcast spray or a crack and crevice treatment, but if combining with an adulticide, make sure to only spray according to the label of the adulticide. Focus on areas with the most pest activity to ensure the maximum amount of exposure to the chemicals. You can apply Tekko with either a pump sprayer, a hose-in sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume applications. Apply Tekko during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast, and keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dried. Tekko Pro has a residual of up to 7 months. We typically recommend spraying every 6 months for preventative control. Tekko Pro is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take a few weeks for the younger pests to die, whereas the adults will not die, but they will be unable to reproduce. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll need a liquid concentrate and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with treatment methods that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.